Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI online grocery admin app inside. Today we need to see this here the creates here the new view controllers we need to develop here. We need to give this here the name order view models and inside we need to calling this here the three API. First one is the new order list, second one is the complete order list, and third one is the cancels and declines order list. We need to call this here the three API and to creating here. First of all, now we need to go inside the commons and to find out here the globe files common UI inside and to declare here the API calls. We need to set here. Now need to given this here the name static let sv order new order list is equal to set this here the base URLs. Need to set here the plus signs and to set here the new underscore orders underscore list like this sets here. Now again so need to copy here and declare here the another two API, and then after now need to set here the complete orders completed and need to set here the completes orders like this sets here. So need to maybe typo, need to fix this here. Completed order list, and also need to set here the cancel order list. Need to set here the API name cancel underscore decline orders list like this. Need to call this here the three API names we need to set here, and now need to save this here the these files, and now need to create here the new view models we need to develop here. Now need to find out here the view models folders, creates here the new files. We need to select here the shift UI and to give this here the name as a order view model like this creating here, and now need to clean this here and to set here the class and to create here the observable object order view model columns. We need to set here the observables so observable objects. We need to set here the class name. Now need to set here the static let share, and we need to write down here the single stone class order view models is equal to set here the initialize these models. Now we need to define here the some publisher variables published where new order list new order array, and to set here the types my orders models need to set here and to set like this here. Same as now need to create here the another three to give this here the completed, and then after the cancelled, and another two publisher variables needs here the error message show errors is equal to set here the false at the rate publishers where error message set here the blank like this. Configurations are the needs here. Now we need to write down here the mark and to give this here the API call it like this. Titles need to setting here. Now need to write down here the functions, and we need to call this here the API new order list API like this. We need to given this here the name. Now first of all now need to set this here the service calls. Need to set here the post methods. Need to pass here the blank parameters. Then after need to pass this here the path as a globes dot sv new order list success and response like this sets here, and also need to make sure need to each tokens need to set here the true like this. Configurations are the needs here and to configure this here. If you get this here the fails, now need to write down here the self dot error message. Need to showing here the errors dot localized description. If not get into msc dot spells message, we need to return this here the hell like here. And now need to write down here self dot show errors. We need to set here the true like this configures here. Then after need to set here the if let response object is equal to need to set here the response object as optional the NS dictionary, and we need to set this here like this value. Else parts need to clean this here the all self dot new order array blank self dot complete. Now need to set here the if conditions. If response object value for key, and check this here the key dot status as string, we need to get here the optional blank if equal to 1, and success message else parts and call this here blank, and show this here the error message self dot error message is equal to write down here the response object value for key, and we need to showing this here the message key as string. If not get them to write down here the file like this, and also need to self dot show message show errors, need to set here true. Now needs here to pass this here the objects, need to write down here the self dot new order array is equal to response object value for key, and to pass this here the payload, get this here the as NS dictionary types. If not get, and to set here the blank array and create here the this lines or brackets inside, and now need to pass as a map brackets inside, to write down here the object in, and now need to return here the models as a my order model, and to pass this here the as an object like this. We need to calling here the new order list API, need to false, and to pass this here set condition. Now fix this here the error issue, and to like this we need to calling this here the new order list API, need to call here, and then after again need to copy here this API and to paste this here. Now need to write down functions for the completed orders, and we need to set here the SV underscore completed order list, need to set like here completed orders, copy paste this here, also replace here like this sets as a completed order list. Same as now again, so we need to copy this API and to write down for the here cancels order list, need to get here. Now need to change this here the API SV underscore cancels order list, and now need to change this here the variable name cancels order list array, and also change here cancel order array like this configures. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. And next video inside, I need to see this here the view models inside to develop this here the order details. You have need view configurations, and then after need to call this here the order status change API, need to call here.